Hey guys! So before we jump in, if you're a small business owner, salon owner, or run a bar, nightclub, or boutique, AI is not here to take your job. It's actually here to save you time and money. You can use AI for your business to create flyers, ads, menus, book covers, product packaging, so many things. Not to mention countless content for your social media, and you don't need to be a tech expert to do it. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about one of the most important skills in AI, prompting. You're going to learn how to write better prompts, how to level up from basic descriptions to dynamic ones, and how to start building your own collection of go-to prompt templates. We'll be using Whisk and MidJourney for this demo. Plus, I'll show you how one of our favorite creators, Alpha, writes insane prompts that you can copy or customize to create your own amazing content. So, if you're new to this, a prompt is just the text you're going to give an AI generator to create an image or a video. Think of it sort of like a recipe. You tell the AI what you want to see, subject, details, setting, and style. The better your prompt is, the better your results will be. So let's start basic. Here's a very plain prompt. Pumpkin on a table. This is what it gives us. Not bad, but let's build on it. We'll add details like lighting, material, color, and environment. New prompt, a glowing orange pumpkin with deep ridges sitting on a rustic wooden table, dramatic candlelight, cinematic style. Do you see the difference? Now, let's take a look at how Alpha, one of the best prompt writers on the internet, approaches this. His prompt for this Halloween portrait looks like this. Way more cinematic, right? If you want to try his exact prompts, we'll link his Halloween pack in the video description. And if you just don't have time to learn prompting yourself, you can always work with a creative agency like the AI Era. We offer full content services using AI, or we teach you how to create it all yourself. Alright, let's break down prompting again. Whether you're using MidJourney, Whisk, Pika, the structure stays the same. Subject, who or what is in the scene, the details, clothing, mood, actions, the setting, where it's actually taking place, and the style, 3D, cinematic, vintage, surreal, etc., etc. You can also add advanced tags like slow motion, soft shadows, or hyper-realistic lighting. And there's really so many more. They all add extra dimension and features, whatever you're looking for. If writing all this out sounds like too much, too complicated, don't worry. If you're a business or a content creator, you can collect, buy, or remix prompt packs from creators like Alpha or agencies like ours. The prompts we use today are linked in the description. Try them out, tweak them, save the ones you like. Prompting is a skill, but it gets easier with practice. Oops, how did I get in here? Let's get back to the kitchen so we can finish this lesson up. Alright, so I wasn't expecting all that, but seriously, the possibilities are actually endless with AI. If you're a business or a content creator needing help building your own prompts, marketing, or content, tap the links below to work with the AI Era or subscribe for more lessons like this one.